Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious cookies and cream cookies. Do you want to know how to make cookies out of a bot cakes mix? Well, follow along as I show you these quick and easy steps how to achieve this delicious dessert. So please on your way in, if you could hit that like. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so, and also hit the bell for post notifications so you don't miss another video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients you will need. I will make sure to have everything linked down below so you can follow along. So the first thing we're going to do is add our vanilla cake mix to a bowl. Now we're going to be adding 2 large eggs. Next, we'll be adding our vegetable oil. Now we're just going to give everything a quick stir to make sure the egg and oil is mixed in well. Now we're going to be adding about 6 to 10 Oreos, and I decided to break them up with my hand. It was a bit easier this way, but you can also break it up in a plastic bag. Just do what you do. Now we're just going to mix the Oreos into our cake mix. And next we'll be adding 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And then we're just going to stir everything all together just to make sure them chocolate chips and Oreos get in between all that cookie batter. But be careful not to overmix because you don't want no hard cookies. Now we're going to add our cookies to our baking sheet. And I already have the oven preheating on 350. You just want to make sure you have that oven preheated first before you add the cookies in there. That way your cookies could cook evenly. So I'm going to continue to place my cookies on my baking mat. And this part I'm going to just speed up because it's self-explanatory and you guys get the idea.
I gave my all and you fell in the deep end. You came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside.
So now we're going to place our cookies in the oven on 350 for about 12 minutes. And you make sure you put a timer on and let them bake. Once our cookies are done, they should look something like this. And you guys, they smell so good. These were definitely a hit. I definitely recommend you guys trying these out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you guys stopping by, liking, sharing, and also leaving me those nice comments. I appreciate it. So until the next video, I hope you guys stay safe out there, and peace.
but I do it all for you. Don't get caught up in them lies before you know the truth. I'll be down to risk it all if you ask me to. Ain't playing with your heart, cause that's too much to lose. You put it up a walk, but you ain't bulletproof. I done got it out the mud and got nothing to prove. Tryna open up your mind and see a clearer view. All the times I made you wait for me, no. But I was on the other side and didn't notice.